Gear up for adventure with OuterGear.net. Picture this. You're packing for your big hike, but your gear is outdated, clunky, or just doesn't hold up. Sound familiar? We've all been there. Say goodbye to gear woes. At OuterGear.net, we've got the high-quality camping, hiking, and biking essentials that make every adventure epic. Lightweight, durable, and downright awesome. Our gear takes you further. From waterproof backpacks to cozy sleeping bags, your next trip just got a major upgrade. Plus, it's all just a click away at OuterGear.net. Stop struggling with the wrong gear. Visit OuterGear.net today and make your adventures as unforgettable as they should be. Your next epic journey starts now.